Upgrading your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 with a durable silicone sport band ensures all-day comfort, sweat-proof durability, and style. Here are the 5 best silicone sport bands in 2026 for gym workouts, swimming, and daily wear. Starting off our list, the Suitisbest 3-pack soft silicone sport replacement bands for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 and Watch 8, 40mm/44mm, are engineered to deliver multicolor versatility and waterproof protection for active daily wear and exercise routines. Crafted from skin-friendly, high-grade soft silicone with a durable stainless steel pin and tuck buckle, these straps feature an ergonomic no-gap design that flush mounts seamlessly against the smartwatch case. In real-life daily scenarios, the sweat-proof and quick-drying material excels during high-intensity gym training, pool swimming, and outdoor sports without causing skin chafing or trapping moisture. The quick-release spring pins allow effortless, tool-free installation in seconds for rapid style changes. Compared to single official Samsung OEM silicone straps, Suitisbest provides comparable skin comfort and precise curved lug fitting while supplying 3 distinct colorways for a fraction of the cost, though OEM bands feature slightly firmer quick-release latches. Offering outstanding overall value for money through all-day comfort and multi-pack convenience, this set is ideal for swimmers, athletes, and daily commuters, making it highly recommended for users seeking budget-friendly performance. Next in the list, the BAEEAT Sport Loop Magnetic Band for Samsung Galaxy Watch 8/9, Classic, and Ultra models is a high-comfort replacement strap designed to deliver lightweight breathability and effortless size adjustments. Woven from soft, stretchable double-layer nylon fabric, this wristband features an innovative G-hook magnetic buckle system that provides infinite microsizing without traditional notch holes. In real-world daily scenarios, the breathable, moisture-wicking weave prevents sweat buildup during intense workouts and sleep tracking, while the magnetic closure allows rapid, one-handed fastening that stays secure throughout active movement. Compared to rigid silicone bands like Suitisbest, BAEEAT offers vastly superior skin breathability and flexible stretch comfort, though soft woven nylon retains dampness longer after full water immersion or swimming. Delivering outstanding value for money by combining military-inspired elastic durability with a modern magnetic closure at a budget-friendly price point, this sporty nylon loop is ideal for fitness lovers, runners, and daily wearers seeking all-day comfort, making it highly recommended. Next coming, the Odbeai Sport Band for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8/9, 40mm/44mm, and Watch 8 Classic 46mm, is a soft silicone replacement strap designed to deliver waterproof protection and ergonomic comfort for sports and everyday wear. Crafted from lightweight, high-flexibility silicone with row upon row of molded ventilation holes, this strap features a seamless no-gap curved lug design and a classic stainless steel pin and tuck buckle. In real-world daily scenarios, the breathable air hole layout dramatically increases airflow during intense workout sessions, preventing sweat buildup and skin irritation during summer runs or gym sessions. The quick-release spring bars ensure tool-free installation within seconds. Compared to solid silicone straps like Suitisbest, Odbeai provides significantly better thermal ventilation and moisture drainage during heavy sweating, though solid straps offer a slightly cleaner, non-perforated aesthetic for formal settings. Delivering exceptional overall value for money by combining all-day breathability, waterproof durability, and precise fitment at an affordable price. This ventilated sport loop is ideal for runners, athletes, and fitness enthusiasts, making it highly recommended. Moving on, the KONAFEI Soft Silicone Sport Band with Magnetic Buckle in Black for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 Watch 40mm/44mm and Classic 46mm is an ergonomic replacement strap engineered to combine flexible sport durability with rapid magnetic adjustment. Crafted from smooth, skin-friendly liquid silicone paired with a folding magnetic metal clasp, this band features a seamless, no-gap lug design that fits flush against the watch housing. In real-world daily scenarios, the waterproof silicone resists sweat during intense workouts, while the magnetic folding buckle allows effortless one-handed securing and micro-adjustments without traditional pinholes. Compared to standard pin-and-tuck silicone straps like Suitisbest, KONAFEI offers a far sleeker, quicker latching experience that eliminates excess strap overhang, though traditional pin buckles provide slightly more locked-in peace of mind for high-impact sports. Delivering strong overall value for money by pairing premium silicone comfort with modern magnetic convenience at an accessible price point, this black strap is ideal for commuters, gym-goers, and busy professionals seeking quick daily wearability, making it highly recommended. Last one in the list, the Nereides magnetic silicone band in black, size L, for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 9/8, 40mm/44mm, and Watch 8 Classic, 46mm, is a rugged, waterproof replacement strap designed to blend sport-ready durability with effortless magnetic adjusting. Crafted from premium soft-touch liquid silicone paired with a strong internal magnetic closure system, this flexible band features an ultra-comfortable, sweat-proof design tailored for larger wrist sizes. In real-world daily scenarios, the waterproof silicone performs exceptionally well during intense gym workouts, swimming, and outdoor running, resisting dirt while allowing swift, one-handed micro-adjustments without pinhole wear. Compared to traditional pin-and-tuck silicone straps like Suitisbest, Nereides offers a far sleeker, continuous fit adjustment via its magnetic alignment mechanism, though traditional buckle bands provide slightly more rigid locking security for high-impact extreme sports. Offering excellent overall value for money by combining military-inspired ruggedness, all-day skin comfort, and waterproof protection into a stylish package, this black magnetic strap is ideal for athletes, commuters, and fitness enthusiasts seeking hassle-free daily wearability, making it highly recommended. Selecting the right silicone sport band keeps your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 secure, comfortable, and protected during intense workouts. Pick your favorite option from this top list to enjoy seamless performance and effortless style throughout your active day.